Welcome back. Now you can also output to having invitations printed. And so what you can do here is you can go to the search bar, you can write in invitation. And what you'll notice is that you can do an invitation is 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters, or you can do an invitation which is 5 inches by 7 inches. Now in this case, we're going to choose the first invitation. Of course, what you'll do is you will choose a template. You'll then edit it to be what you want it to be. And then you'll go to this area that says print invitations. And what you'll notice is that you're going to be ordering invitations to be sent to you. And you can have envelopes done with them also. Or you can do the envelopes yourself. You'll then click continue. You'll then go through your image quality and then click continue. You'll then be mindful of your white edges and then you'll click continue. You'll make sure that you don't have any bleeding onto the edges. You'll then click continue. And then your proof will be generated. You'll then want to make sure that you're looking at your proof. You can then verify that your proof is what you want it to be. You'll then click the disclosure. You'll then click continue. And then you'll go through the shipping process. Once you've completed it, you can then confirm using the credit cards you have on file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.